sweeter the toy, the better the vibes. This is so satisfying. It's so nice to meet up with your friends for some tea. Hi! What's up? But you can't just talk all the time. Hey, I have a present for you. That's so nice. But Debbie brought something too. What's in the boxes? Wow! Is that for me? It's a real puppet. Wow! Awesome! I have been dreaming about it for so long. What did Amanda prepare? I can't believe it! A squishy cake! Lots and lots of soft squishies! Wow! Oh, I love it! Stress doesn't stand a chance. Or does it? Oh, here's a new challenge. 24 hours. Squishies versus puppets. Let's go. Let's start with makeup. The puppet girl has a bright personality. So her makeup should match. Rainbow eyelids? Why not? A rainbow on the cheek is even better. A lot of colored beads on the cheekbones. Awesome! Now we need to do a bright hairstyle. How's that? Colorful beauty is power. The squishy girl prefers pastel colors. But a little glitter can't hurt. Neither can colorful eyeliner. Gorgeous eyelashes make her look dramatic. She's missing some soft, squishy clouds. Wow. That's better. A little more glitter on the lips. And a hairdo with colored strands. Fun ponytails and a little stress-relieving detail. Perfect! Bright makeup needs a bright look to match. How about finding the perfect outfit? Wow! A whole collection of poppets! It's a dream come true! A poppet dress! Now that's unique! No! Don't stop now! Bring in the decorations! Oh, wow! A whole bouquet of bubbles! The more bright details, the better! The shelf is ready! So beautiful! Let's add some more! Can there ever be too many of them? Let's take some pictures! Everything's going to be poppet! This is Amanda's favorite challenge! Poppet blanket! Bubbles inside bubbles! And 100 more cute poppets! Wow. How cool is that? Oh, I almost forgot about the light bulbs! They are colorful too, just like poppets! There! Now it's perfect! Everything you click, there's bubbles! Debbie wants a new look too! Wow! A squishy soft dress is much cozier! Her comfortable slippers have a squishy cake, but the room needs some softness. We can do that! Cotton clouds, donut lights, and delicious paintings! It's cute, but it's missing something. Right! The bookshelves! Cover them with lots and lots of cute squishies! Well, now you can sit down on the soft throne with pillows! How soft! And cozy! Everywhere you look, you are surrounded by squishy stuff! I love it! Poppets aren't the only things that can relieve stress. Cooking can also do the job. Poppet style, of course. 1, 2, 3, and the cupcakes are done. So flavorful. Bright holiday candles to set the mood. Debbie needs to try these. Also, jelly balls, gummies, and something special. Fruity poppet ice for our drinks. It will cool them off and add some color. Wow! Here's my friend. It's so cute in here. Wow! A real poppet kingdom. How about some gum? It's just like a regular poppet. Click and enjoy. Yummy! And now the Jell-O balls. We're done eating. Now we can have some fun. a party! It doesn't matter if it's just us two. We're having so much fun! Amanda is visiting Debbie now. Hungry? Hey! Aw, it's a toy! And all I want to do is eat. Don't worry, you'll get something to eat. Oh, my God! Hey, wait, it's still early. The table's not set yet. You're right. All right, now it's ready. Please, come to the table. Finally, we're eating. Yum! Everything is so delicious, especially the marshmallows. Look how many marshmallows I can fit in my cheeks. 1 chubby bunny, 2 chubby bunny. The girls are pros at this game. Well, who won? Our friendship. How about we play with the squishies? Pretty please? Squeezing toys? Not much of a game. How about a magic trick? Wow, sure. Which hand? This one? Wrong! Here's the surprise! What? How does such a big cake fit in your fist? That's magic! No, it's just a squishy! Wow, it's true! That's so great! And now, a Skittles guessing game! The rules are simple. Just close your eyes. I need to hide the candies. All done! You can look! Wow! I can't wait to play! Rochambeau! 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 Yay! Debbie goes first! And she wins right away! It's your move, Amanda! Oh no! It's empty! What? Debbie got a candy again? Oh well, at least I know where the rest of the sweets are. Hey! That's cheating! Whatever. If you cut a poppet into pieces, you can make a very nice piece of jewelry. Or several pieces. A ring and earrings. That's a whole poppet set. It's stylish, bright, and trendy. And Debbie has another idea. You'll need a cute picture and scissors. Fold the picture in half. Cut out a kitten along the outline. Tape the paper and put the halves together. Oh, wow! It's so cute! Let's try bringing it to life. A little cotton and the paper cap becomes squishy! It's so soft! Please welcome! The queen of trends, the puppet! Me! Me! I want one too! Of course! Everyone wants to relieve a little stress! And your earrings are so gorgeous! Of course! They are poppets! And everyone forgot about the squishies! That's not fair! Alright, my turn to be popular! So soft! It turns out it's so easy to change a trend! And that's ridiculous! Don't fight, girls! Let the audience choose the best one! Yay! Friendship wins again! Oh, look! And the challenge just ended! Did you enjoy our new challenge? What kind of toys do you like more? A poppet or a squishy? Tell us in the comments! Subscribe to Troom Select and watch even more funny videos every day! Give this one a thumbs up, click the bell, and don't forget to share this video with your friends!